It's for the Air Force Base in Colorado Springs, and so it's a moving contract. So we're moving from one building to the next building.
What's your award on that? What's the process?
Man. So it's the award is for 15,700. My profit is
All right. I see Mr. Smith is got his camera on. What's up, sir?
What's up, guys? What's up, Dr. West?
How you doing?
Tell me
good, about yourself. I'm not familiar, but tell me what's up.
Yeah. So I'm also a 5-day challenge alumni as well.
Okay.
So I took the 5-day challenge. I think it was back in January.
January this year.
Yeah.
So way back in January. I want to say February, January was our last one. I want to say we ain't did one since. But okay. All right. Okay. Yep. So what happened for you?
So it was great. I think, the biggest thing about what you do is you simplify the process. If it wasn't for you, I probably would have been reading all 40 pages, 60 pages, 100 pages, and trying to pay as close attention to detail as possible. But, you really simplified it and cut down the time and just, helped me get straight to the point. So it was extremely motivating, the approach that you teach and then the mindset that you teach as well. Appreciate that. I think go ahead.
I was gonna say, go ahead, but I was gonna say, tell us about yourself. I want to hear your story, man. Like, what do you do? What do you do?
So at the moment, I work for myself. I'm pursuing my business entrepreneurship degree. Okay. I'm all about entrepreneurship. I was working as a community liaison probably a couple months ago for a healthcare center out here, but the job didn't go too well. They actually ended up owing me money because it's a place that's, I won't say the name, but it's a place that's all grant funded. And so there's the discrepancy in there. So I'm going through that process of trying to figure that out. But that was something that motivated me a lot. Like after that whole situation, because I kind of took a break from government contracting. Like I submitted about 9 after the 5-day. And then I took a break for a while, just doing some life things. Yeah. I had this new career opportunity. And then, so kind of like government contracting was kind of like on the back burner.
Yeah.
But then, so at the moment, I'm just really giving like 100% of my time, like professionally to government contracting, especially after winning the contract that I won. I mean, my mindset was already there because I was like, all right, let's do this. Like I buckled down, but then after I got that award letter, then I was like, okay, now we're really
It's crazy how that worked. When that award letter come in, you're like, oh, it's real now. It's like, no, it was real before, but it's real now.
Exactly.
Congrats. Very. So you submitted 9 after the 5-day, life got in the way, you picked it back up. What did you win? What's up? What we got going on?
Yeah, so it's interesting. So I think it was like my 10th one, like the day that I decided to pick it back up, the first one that I submitted, because I think I submitted like a total of 4 over that week.
Wow.
And then the first one that I submitted back is the one I won.
Hey, what's up? It's Dr. West here. I hope you are enjoying the content that we got coming at you. Give me 2 seconds. My students have been awarded over $60+ million in government contracts. Y'all, I only been coaching about 1.5 years. So listen, if you want to get part of the program, you want to be part of the program, you want to join and find out what we got going on, here's what I got for you. Go to www.thecontractingblueprint.com. We are now opening up spots for phone calls. So what we do is we have a free 45-minute hour phone call with myself and my team members. Now I can't be on every call, so I do have team members that take some of the calls as well, but book a free phone call. We'll answer your questions on government contracting, the middleman style, and we will tell you about our program and our coaching platform, and you can make a decision if you're a good fit to work with us and we're a good fit to work with you. I look forward to speaking with you guys on the phone, and my team looks forward to speaking with you guys as well, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.
It's for the Air Force Base in Colorado Springs. Wow. And so it's a moving contract. So we're moving from one building to the next building.
Yeah, I've seen stuff like that.
On the base.
All the buildings, all the stuff that go out, you got to move it, arrange, and they got to take it to the next building. That's it.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
What's your award on that? What's the process?
So it's the award is for 15,700. My profit is about half.
So
about
you
half.
basically kind of double the price. I like that.
Yep.
Okay.
You know, somebody taught me that. Somebody
Yeah, you heard that
that
somewhere, right? I love it.
Yeah, man. So, you know, so yeah.
That's great, man. And then when you won this one, when was this? Recently? Just like not too long ago? Or when?
Yeah. I won last month.
Last month. Okay, just last month, September. Okay.
Yep, September. And we do the work in 3 days. And today's the 24th. We do the work in 4 days. They do the work in 4 days.
They do the work. They knock it out. And it's in Colorado. And you live where?
I live in Maryland.
Maryland. All right. Are you going to go to Colorado? Are you going to go look at it? You ain't going to touch it? Nah. You in Maryland. This is in Colorado. You'll make half of 7K, whatever it is.
Yeah.
How's that feel, man?
It feels great. It feels great, especially given you know what's going on right now. It's perfect timing. I put a lot of work in, you know, a lot of work learning. I've listened to you for countless hours, you know what I mean, and a couple other coaches as well online. So, you know, I definitely put a lot of studying time in and a lot of time in with the contracts, man. So I remember when I got that contract, I was doing actually a gig, like a promotional gig that I was doing. And this was after that shift. And I was just sitting there after grabbing some food. And I didn't expect to see the contract in my email. So that's what made it even more like enjoyable because, and it was very, it wasn't really direct. Like it didn't have award letter in the subject. But it like restated what the solicitation number was. And then so I had to like click on it, read through it, and it didn't even say like I was awarded right away. But like halfway into the email, it's like we're excited to work with you and all that stuff. And I think I read it like 5 times over.
Oh man.
So I could have literally ran around the block, to be honest with you.
Really?
Just with that much energy and excitement. Yeah, for sure.
Bro, that's amazing. And here's the thing, even though you know, you kind of plugged in January, you won this one in September, just so you know, that's speed, that's fast, because a lot of people get into sam.gov government contracting, and I tell you, this is my 5-day, most companies take years to win one.
Right.
Years, 2-3 years, sometimes 4 years. I got people that hit me up and say, hey, I've had my case code for 6 years, right?
Right.
So you did get in January, even though it took you because, you know, you didn't get into the mentorship program, you could have got there faster, that's all I'm gonna say, but
that's coming.
You know,
yeah,
but it's all good. January, you won the contract in September. You followed the proven system. It all worked out, though, right? So
yes, definitely. Yeah, man, I got some more in the pipeline, and so I'm looking forward to a few more award letters, and also looking forward to like growing my skill set. You know, and getting some more things to add to the toolbox to like keep winning some more, you know.
Yeah. So one question for you then. My question to help everyone else out. You know, January you got started, then life happened, and you picked it back up in September and won a contract. What got you to get back on that horse? Like, what made you go like, you know what? Let me hop back on this government contracting thing and make this happen. What made you do that?
A few things, definitely a few things. So it was the job thing. Them not paying me the check that they owe me, and I've always had an entrepreneurial mindset though, you know, but I you know wanted to give that job an opportunity, but you know, of course that put some steam behind me and made me jump to it a little faster, and then it was the fact that I'm always watching the videos, you know what I mean. I'm always like, you know what I mean, sharpening my blade and like staying knowledgeable about the industry, because I've always been interested in it. I just kind of put it on the back burner for a little bit. So I know that it was probably some of those videos you put out there that also sparked some more motivation for me. And I can't remember their names, but a couple of the other coaches that I watched. And what else? Just really the need and the passion to be independent. Like, I know that I know how to run a business. I'm in school to like get even better at that. And that's always kind of been a part of my aspirations, like all my life, was to be a business owner in some way or another. And you know, so I said to myself, why not me? Why not me? You know, so I know that, one of the biggest differences between like getting what you want and not getting what you want is like your consistency. So I decided, let's be consistent, and that's what I did, and here we are.
That's right. That's right. Consistency, man. Just doing the things you got to do, checking them off your list. I love it, man. I love it.
Thank you, bro. And thank you for what you're doing, and shout out to everybody in the community. I look forward to connecting even more.
Of course, man. Appreciate you being here, bro. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Do you want to know how to make 6 and 7 figures a year in government contracting? Do you want to know how to actually do the middleman strategy and work with me and my team of coaches? If you do, all you got to do is book a phone call with us. You can book a phone call at www.thecontractingblueprint.com. It should be on the screen somewhere, maybe above me. www.thecontractingblueprint.com is also linked below. So what we'll do is we'll do a free 45-minute to hour phone call. I take some of the phone calls as I can. My team members take the phone calls. And what we'll do is we'll make sure you understand the middleman strategy, and it will tell you about our services. If we're a good fit for you, if you're a good fit for us, we hope so. If we are, then we'll help you guys win your first contract as well. So if you're interested, book a free phone call at the link above or below, and I'll see you guys there. All right, peace.